To check for system updates in Pixel 10, first we need to open settings on our device. Next step is to locate the system. Click on it, then move down until you find the software update. If you click on that, you can go for system update check and then check for any updates. As you can see, it's preparing the system update, and we'll see at the end if there's anything pending. Okay, I think it backed out. So yep, for me there's a system update, now it's downloading it, and if you have the update as well, it will look the same way. If it backs out, just go back and then try again. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.